Welcome to Subtraction up to 999 with models, place value, and drawings connected to strategies. So we're going to look at a pretty complex problem. This is later into your progression. We're going to end up needing to regroup in the tens place and the ones place. So I say that in advance to say that you might want to refer back to a subtraction video in the earlier unit when we subtracted a 99 if you want to see regrouping in just one of those place values. So we're going to look at the takeaway strategy here. We're starting with concrete, and so we've represented 405, and we are taking away 128. So if I look at my ones, I know I need to take away 8 ones, and I don't have 8 ones. So I think about, can I exchange a 10? I don't have any 10s, so I must exchange hundreds. So I know that 10 tens are equivalent to 100. So we've talked about this before, but if I hold them in the same hand, I have my 10 tens, my bundle, I have my 100. I exchange my 100 for 10 tens, which enables me to now exchange a 10 for 10 ones. So even exchange, remove my 10, organizing my ones in a 10 frame just as a strategy to help me remember what I have. And then looking at the amount, this is still equivalent and should be still equivalent to 405. So now I've got 15 ones, and I'm going to be able to take away my 8 ones. So I'm going to take away my 5 and 3, which composed makes 8. So I am left with 7 ones. I need to take away 2 tens. I'm able to take away my 2 tens, and I need to take away 100. And I am left with a difference of 277. So that was concrete. You can see this is multiple steps because I'm having to exchange across more than one place value, and especially across a 0. So once they've had experience with that, we're going to want to take that same problem and directly connect it to the drawing. So having students draw that triple T chart, having hundreds, tens, and ones. Again, you're welcome to use this as a scaffold, but we are trying to get students to transition to drawing it themselves. So they would represent the 405, no tens, 5 ones. They're going to take away their 8 ones. I don't have 8 ones to take away. I can't regroup a 10, so I'm having to start in the hundreds place. I'm going to take away 100 and exchange it for 10 tens. I've got 10 tens. I still haven't remedied the problem that's in the ones place, so I'm going to take away a 10 and exchange it in for 10 additional ones. And so now I'm actually able to do the subtracting. I need to take away 8 ones. I am left with a total of 7 ones. I need to take away 2 tens. I am left with a total of 7 tens. I need to take away 100, and I am left with a total of 200.